Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the tracker type and that the SIM is active. This matters because some devices need data or SMS. Once done, insert the SIM, top up data, and register the device in its app. Next, locate the vehicle's fuse box and decide between OBD connection or hardwiring near the battery. Choose OBD for plug-and-play or hardwire for stealth and constant power. Make sure to power off the car and keep the tools ready. You now wire the tracker. Use the multimeter to find a constant 12V, an ignition switch 12V, and a good chassis ground. This ensures tracking while parked and accurate ignition-triggered reports. If hardwiring, use fuse taps or ring terminals for secure connections, insulating with heat shrink. If using OBD, plug the unit in firmly and tuck the cable. Then, open the app, add the IMEI, choose reporting frequency, and enable features like geofence or alerts for reliable monitoring. You finish by testing thoroughly. Start the engine and watch the app for live position and movement updates. Drive a short route to confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, mount the tracker in its final spot, secure wiring, and fasten with zip ties so it won't rattle. If tracking fails, make sure the SIM has data, the tracker's antenna isn't blocked by metal, fuses are intact, and the IMEI is correct in the app. Replace or reboot the unit if problems persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.